Jim guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about Kite AI and everything you need to know about Kite AI. So in this video we're going to be covering um what is Kite AI, the funding plus the role of PayPal in Kite AI ecosystem. We're going to be talking about the launch of the Kite A, that is the App Store and the Passport. We're going to be talking about the real world integration that has to do with the ShopRite, PayPal, and stablecoin integration in the Kite AI ecosystem. And finally, we're going to be talking about the vision of Kate agentic internet. Sorry. So now the question is, what is Kate AI? So Kate is actually the next generation of the AI based layer. So this particular layer is actually designed to solve infrastructural problem and also provide real world utility in a decentralized environment. So that's what you need to do about Kate AI. So now the question is, what are the agent network in this particular ecosystem? So we have that the agent network has to do the base layer of the agentic internet, which serve as the foundation infrastructure empowering autonomous agent to operate, transact with identity. That's the keyword number one: identity, payments, governance, and verification. So these are the foundation layer of it. So what they do here, they helps is in this particular agentic platform is to operate and transact with the identity, payments, governance, and verification of agent, AI agent. So that's what it means. So it has, how does it work? Number one is the verification, that's the identity that has to do with your passport. The second one is the marketplace, which is the app store, and the third one is where you actually explore, interact, and transact in this particular agentic economy. So that's what that particular thing means. So we have explore agent in Kate agent app store. So you actually in the app store, which is known as the marketplace, there are three things you need to see in while exploring agent. So number one, you have the device, that is the device. So you can actually check out so many agent stores. So they have so many agent stores in the app store, so you can check it out, find out whatever they are building and whatever you are looking for. So the second one is trusted and fair. So the platform is actually very reliable, secure, and also transparent for use. So your funds are actually safe because it's actually interactive between the agent and only the middleman. So that is what this particular thing. So the middleman system that is in the real world is not there. So this has to do with just humans and the agents. That's what that particular trust and fair means. So we have coordinated. So we have like other like on apps that we know. So this particular platform is actually very coordinated, and they have the capability of any single agent you want in any area of expert you need to in this particular platform. So let's move into the funding. So we have that Kate's AI has actually raised a total funding of over $33 million, and this particular fund are actually led by top VCs, likes of General Catalyst, and importantly PayPal Ventures. So I'm going to be talking more about PayPal Ventures in the next video. So we have now why Kit A matters. So Kit A is actually um, the ecosystem aspect of it. So it has two operations. We have the Kate agent app store, which has to be the marketplace, and also have the Kate pass, which has to do with the agent passport. So we have these two. You know, this what make up the Kate A. So we have that reason for the Kate A is actually because agents move beyond narrow tags and start operating autonomously across developers and enterprise systems. So this means that there's no control over them. So they actually move across developers and enterprise systems. So we have that the Kate A closes that gap by giving agent a verifiable identity, share rules, and also direct them to carry out that particular task or that particular job. So that's what that particular what the Kate AI means. So in this, they actually brought out the Kate agent app store, which is known as the marketplace and for service delivery and discovery or delivery. And we also have the Kate pass, which serves as the agent passport for verifiable identity and policy enforcement. So that is the two categories of the 8 So we have Kate statistics. We have over 17.8 million agent passport in the platform. We have over 100 plus of Kate modules. Only developers will understand, and we have over 1.7 billion of agent interaction in the platform. So we have the backing. I've said it actually backed by PayPal Ventures. We have General Catalyst, and also have some of them here. We have 8VC, Samsung Next, and so many more. So they have a raise of over $33 million, which is an incredible move for this particular project. So we have for the role of PayPal funding, we have that according to the Coin Telegraph, which is known as one of the biggest Web3 blog, we have that the Kate representative explained that PayPal is actually a formal partnership in a pilot phase. That means it's actually in the beta stage before the main product is out. And also ShopRite is also one of the API integration in the pilot phase, which also serve as the real world integration um, platform. So we have, according to the partners of PayPal Ventures, we have that Kite is known as the first real infrastructure that is purposely built for the agentic economy. So that is what it means. So we added that the payments are a challenging technical gap for AI agents, and the Kite bridge, which this is a critical gap by providing stable coin base. You have to know what's the stable coin, and which moves in a millisecond level settlement. See, this has to do with the speed. So this is what the PayPal ventures have seen so far in Kite AI, and what they are building. So this is actually a truly global automated economy where people can actually where people, enterprise and machine can actually interact with ease and trust. So this is the vision that these particular people have seen for Kite AI. That's why they truly wanted to invest in the particular project. So we have the Kite AI ecosystem for the agentic internet. So I've mentioned it. We have the Kite AI, which has to do with the active passport, which has to do with the unique identity. So we also have, when you verify yourself on the platform, you actually fund your wallet for you, so that you can actually explore, interact, and also transact with the agent for reward tax. So you can see it. You have the active passport, which gives you the entity to fund your wallet, and then you now operate on the app store, which is known as the marketplace. So we have that the Kite AI app store serves as a marketplace for agents and developers, vetted for security, reliability, transparency. Agent coordinate to solve complex tasks and beyond individual capabilities. And the foundation base is actually the agentic network based layer. So this is the core infrastructure. This is what they are solving. They actually have four identities. So they have four components, which is known as the identities, payments, governance, and verification. This enables agents to operate and transact. So that's the thing. So remember, you have identity, payments, governance, and verification. So that's everything you need to know about the agentic based layer, which is the foundation base of it. So we have human-centric internet versus the agentic internet. So we have a human-centric internet. We have no identity for agents. We have localized payment, and we have manual website authorization. So agentic internet solve that. So what do they solve? They actually identify for agents and owners. They actually introduce a global instant payment with crypto wallet, and also pre-authorization and control. So they are different from the human-centric internet. So the human-centric internet uses the old payment solution, that's the local payments, but in agentic economy or agentic internet, it uses a global instant payment, which include a crypto wallet. And we also have manual website authorization in human. So you have that in agentic, it uses a pre-authorization and control security for their platform. So we have the identity. This has to do with KYC, and this one is no KYC for it. So the difference between them. So we have the mobile. In today's world, we have that the mobile face payment in today's world looks like this. So you can see you have human beings. They use their phone, which is served as the control hub for credit card payment mechanism, and they actually use it to shop their regular merchandise, the shop and the services. So this is actually in a today's world, that is the real world. But with Kite AI agent introduction, so we have that agent which are dedicated, the dedicated tasks to the agent, the AI agent. You can see that's the personal AI agent, which operate autonomously, that is without any external control, and they use Kite ecosystem or the Kite technology to process that particular transaction or that particular instruction from the agent, which is known as the agent managed merchant and shop. And this also has to do with the agent managed and shop. So what this particular thing technology processes and Kite, this their services for the human. So that is the definition of the Kite agentic internet. So we have lastly, we have the agentic internet, what it is and why it matters. So you can see the whole internet, we have static, reactive, and human only. But with the introduction of the agentic internet, we have dynamic, proactive, and we also have humans plus agent. And finally, we have that this is actually powered by the real-time data and through humans plus AI co-creating the future. So this is everything you need to know about the future of agentic finance. So thank you guys for watching.